How to use two WhatsApp accounts in one mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards settings and go to application. Then after you will see the option of app cloner. Simply click on it, allow the permission. Then after go to WhatsApp. Turn this feature of app cloner for WhatsApp and wait for the process to complete. Once creating app clone has been completed, simply head back and you will see the application WhatsApp clone on your home screen. Now, simply click on it and usually log in as a new WhatsApp account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.